sufficient to go to an oven now.
Okay, so we're gently going to take off the
cheesecloth.
And this is a two-part because you have, now handle your bread gently. It's risen, but it's not totally stable. This bread is going to have a little creative design here, but things like that happen.
Yeah.
And I also want to show you what the steam is like. So I'm going to turn on the oven light down here. So see, we have the steam, and that is for the purpose of helping the bread to rise further. You'll hand me that last loaf and I'll put it in on this side. And we have been using the Hexaclad pans because we have an induction oven, but I can tell you that for baking there is nothing better. We get a really nice steam.
And now we close it up.
And Papa, tell them about the stem.
You must have good stem.
And where does stem come from?
Stem comes from my old supervisor at the bakery. It's actually steam, but he used to call it stem. And you must have good stem so that it will help to form the bread and give it good color.
Excellent. And the temperature that you're going to bake that at?
We bake it at 375, and we will change this timer because we know our oven. That's crucial in baking. We know our oven. We know that in our oven it takes 35 minutes for 3 loaves of bread to bake properly with a good brown color. Know your oven. If your oven works better at 350, put it at 350. If your oven functions better at 400, by all means, 400. Every oven is different. It's just like your family. Every member of your family is an individual. Your oven's an individual too.